On this Osage orange, it's got extremely figured grain, so planing it just wasn't working out for me at all. I was chipping out one direction or the other. Really, the best way to do that is to sand it. I don't have a belt sander, a large belt sander, so handheld's my only option. But I've got that sanded down to a fairly coarse grit right now. It did make cross grain scratches that I'll have to work out with finer grits, but looks like it's pretty flat. So we'll move on from there. Here's a piece I'm hoping to use for a pegboard. Just need to do a little something about that hole. So this is the head that I'm going to use, and I'm just trying to lay it out where I might be able to get around this hole without actually having to do anything with it. Got it smooth on one side, still need to smooth the back side out, but I'm probably going to cut it to size before I do that. It looks like I can go right here. I've got a little bit of bug trails in here, but this will be cut off when I actually attach. So I think I may go right in there somewhere. That's why it's a good idea to have these head shapes, patterns, so that you can see just exactly what you're getting out of it. I'm going to go ahead and use a sharp pencil just to trace around this head pattern. Well, that didn't cut exactly where it was supposed to, and unfortunately it got into this bug damage on the back. I may see if I can fill that with epoxy and salvage this piece.